In this video, you'll learn how to dropship on eBay effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up your dropshipping business, manage orders efficiently, and track shipments to ensure a smooth selling experience. Begin by selecting reliable suppliers who can fulfill orders directly to your buyers. It is essential to choose suppliers that offer fast shipping and accurate inventory updates. Research products that have high demand but low competition to maximize your chances of success when creating your eBay listings in clear photos. Proper preparation ensures smooth operations and minimizes mistakes, which is crucial for maintaining a good seller reputation. Once you have your listings set up, manage orders efficiently by placing them with your supplier immediately after a buyer completes a purchase. Ensure that you provide accurate shipping addresses and tracking information to prevent any delays in delivery. Monitoring inventory levels is vital to avoid overselling and cancelling orders, which can negatively impact your seller rating. Communicate transparently with buyers if any issues arise during the order process, as timely order processing helps build trust and reduces the likelihood of negative feedback. After processing orders, track shipments and confirm delivery with the buyer. It is important to handle returns or issues in accordance with eBay's policies to maintain a good standing as a seller. Adjust your listings and inventory based on sales performance and market trends to keep your offerings relevant. Additionally, optimizing pricing and shipping methods can help maximize your profit margins. Keeping detailed records of your sales and expenses will also contribute to accurate bookkeeping. Consistent monitoring of your dropshipping operations is essential for building a sustainable business on eBay. Pay attention to market trends and customer feedback to refine your approach continuously. This proactive strategy will help you respond to changes in demand and improve your overall sales performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.